Hi guys! Today we are going to learn about light. So that's our today's goal. First of all, light is a source of energy, as you may know. So there are two types of sources. We have natural, as you can see the sun, and the lightning when there is a storm. Those types of light are natural because we can't make it. However, there is also artificial light, and that it's made by the human. For example, a candle and a lighter, okay? I want to create light. Yeah, so now this is light, but this is artificial because I made it. And this is very important and very interesting because why the candle is switched on for a long period of time? Well, I'm going to tell you. And this is because it has contact with the oxygen in the air, and because of that, there is light. Then, let's learn about its characteristics. The first thing, direction. How does the light travel? Well, the light travels always in straight lines. It doesn't travel through vibrations or through waves. No, only straight lines. Then, let's talk a little bit about the white color. You may think that white is made up only white, but there's not the right answer. White is made up by the 7 colors of the rainbow. So, white is made up by those 7 colors. Do you know that? Okay, now let's talk about the light speed. Is it fast or not? Well, we're going to compare the light speed and the bus speed. As you can see here in the mind map, the light speed travels at 300,000 kilometers per second. However, the bus speed travels at 0.027 kilometers per second. Can you see the huge difference? So the light is the fastest source of the universe. Let's talk about light and colors. So when we see any of those colors, there are some colors that are absorbed and other colors that are reflected. What is that? What is the meaning of that? Well, if we see yellow, that means that we see that color absorbs all the colors and reflects only yellow. So because of that, we see yellow. For example, if we see blue color, what happens with that color? So blue absorbs all the colors unless blue that is reflected. So the colors that we don't see are absorbed and the colors that we see are reflected. Now let's learn about the last part of our mind map, that it's about the materials and the relation with the light. Okay, so first of all, we can see that there are 3 types of materials related to light. The first one are the transparent. The second one, translucent. And the third one, opaque. Let's see the differences between the 3 of them. Okay, so the first material is transparent. This is transparent. Why? Because two characteristics. The first one, all the light can pass through. So as you can see, all the light passes through. Then we can see clearly through it. I can see that I have a hand here and that I'm moving my fingers because I can see everything behind the object. Then we have another type of material that is translucent. And the translucent materials are a little bit different than the transparent because not all the light, but some light can pass through. But I can't see clearly my hand here I can see a little bit the fingers, but not very clearly. So that is why it's translucent. And then last but not least, we have the opaque materials. This can't pass, the light can't pass through it, as you can see. Can you see me? I can see you. So that means that I can't see anything through these materials because the light can't pass through it and it doesn't allow to see any object or anything. I can see if my hand is moving or not, okay? So that is the materials related to light. Some examples, you can see, for example, the opaque ones, wood or metal. The translucent normally is plastic because this is made of plastic, and the transparent, the window or this bulb that is transparent. I hope you enjoyed the video and that you learned a lot about light. Please be okay, start the week with a lot of energy and let's learn together. And remember, everything will be okay, alright? So keep learning!